Got this 2008 Nissan Titan. If you're doing an aftermarket radio, I already did this, but you can ground it to metal surface like I did there. Run the screw through and it will work. Or you can extend the ground and put it on a metal surface, either there. Sorry for the sun. Right there. There you go. Just routing this wire. It's for the USB. I already did the CarPlay one on the glove box. I'm gonna do this one in the glove box. So I ran both of the USBs. Alright, got everything around. May try to connect to my phone. I do like that the colors change.